Good morning. This is James Chamberlain, Chamberlain Goat Farm and Pig. This is what I do. Letting everybody out this morning, even though it's raining. Let everybody out. Let them run around. It's an exercise. They don't eat all the grass in the other areas, so I let them come this way on the farm. Let the chickens out. This is my first time letting the chickens out. Let the goats and the rams out. They love jumping on my truck. I'm gonna let them over in this green area over here this morning. They just love jumping on my truck. Look at that. Look at that. So that's a beautiful thing. That's one of the lambs. I'm gonna let them go over there. It's raining this morning. Let them eat that down. This is what they love doing. I love watching. The God, I thanks for every moment, every minute, every hour, every second of my life. Let me do this here. I hope this put a smile on your face and somebody else's face. 24 hours in a day. God gave everybody the same thing, 24 hours in a day. What you doing 24 make a difference in your life and somebody else. And I just love doing this. Y'all have a blessed day. Enjoy your day. Here coming the chickens. This is the first time I let the chickens out. I think I had them about a week and a half. They way back there. But this is what the lamb, that's the lamb and the goats would like to do. So let me get started. Here come the chickens. I'm trying to wait till the chickens get up here. It's their first time out, but they laying eggs now, y'all. I don't mean to give y'all an update on the chickens. Yeah, the chickens are now laying eggs. They coming on up here. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. What do you want? You ain't had no babies yet. You ain't had no babies yet. I don't know. I never seen a lamb mate. They said that one, I got that one, said that one was pregnant, but I can't tell about a lamb. I could tell about a goat because I'm certified goat management. I went to college for goats, but I didn't go, I don't know nothing about no lamb, but anybody can tell me about a lamb. I need to trim her feet. Anybody tell me about some lambs, because I don't know they pregnant or what. I don't know if he doing his job or not, big rascal. I never seen him go to him, so. This is James Chamberlain, Chamberlain Goat Farms and Pigs. This is what I want him to do. I'm gonna get him over here and let him eat this here. Scratching up my truck. All right, I gotta go.